The morning light softly glows, painting dreams where the river flows. The leaves are dancing side by side, with the gentle breeze so warm, so bright. Every heartbeat slows with time, every bird sings pure, divine. Clouds are drifting far away, carrying hope into the day. Ooh, can you hear the whisper calling near? Close your eyes, let your spirit gently rise. Hold the sky, let your heart learn to fly. Breathe the morning, breathe the rain, wash away every pain. Softly, slowly, endlessly, nature sings in harmony. Every mountain and whispers, you are free. You are Golden sunset paints the skies, stars awaken in your eyes. Moonlight dances on the stream like a peaceful, endless dream. Flowers blooming one by one, greeting softly everyone. In this moment we belong, inside nature's gentle song. The wind will carry on you.